Boom! This has to be, probably one of the greatest Christmas gifts I could have ever gotten. It's, it's like a, it's pretty much like a, unofficial bootleg Lego FNAF set. This will go really great with my FNAF Lego bootleg figures. It's just the box, of course. Rolling pieces to have to build it in. Upon opening it up, it came with an instruction manual, which is useful. And another thing, I like how the bags have like the come on. I like how they they're like these like Ziploc seal bags. So so I guess they're reusable. That's actually cool. And the box looks pretty durable. I've owned bootleg Lego figures before, but I never owned like a bootleg Lego set. I have owned like sets that weren't Lego, but they weren't like bootleg Lego. They were like Mega Blocks, which is kind of like Lego, but different. Onto the set itself, it looks very great. It also has where they can move like that. It's kind of weird. Well, the set looks great. I'm not a big fan of the placing for it because Pirate Cove isn't that close to the show stage. Well, I mean, in the movie it is, but this is based off the game, so yeah. And also, the office shouldn't be right here. It's a lot further away. So that's wrong. But I will probably just use them, but take them disconnect the parts and show you them individually. Onto the show stage. It's pretty cool looking. We have that orange thing is supposed to represent the sun, but it should be yellow then. And then these are supposed to represent clouds. We got the stage. It says happy birthday on top. And got some balloons around. Also got some pizza, and there's I think this is where you get cookies or something. Taking a closer look, there are also pictures of the characters. Here's Foxy, and then Bonnie's right there, and kind of behind the balloons. There's Freddy, then here's Chica, and also there's little mini ones of Fredbear and Spring Bonnie. So that's neat. And also we have some toys lying around, like a pink teddy bear and an orange teddy bear, which seem to be a different mold than an actual real teddy bear official piece by Lego. And also, just for the hell of it, we also have a rabbit piece. There's that, as well as a kind of cursed looking cupcake right there. Mr. Cupcake doesn't even have his candle. Then we got some balloons around. All the colors in the rainbow except purple, because purple is a symbol of bad in FNAF, because, you know, purple guy. We got these little mini things, which don't really look like balloons. They could be, though. I don't really know what they are. We got a table with some party hats and some pizza, and I think the flower is supposed to represent some cake. And there's some speaker there for the music. That's it for the show stage. For Pirate Cove, there's not much going on. The curtains open and close, so you can actually put a minifigure in there. Like Foxy. We have this little sign that says, "It's me," on it. Which is supposed to represent, now, that's supposed to reference something. Now, it normally says "sorry, out of order," but, in the game, once Foxy is completely gone from his cove, the sign will say "It's me" instead, but it won't say that. It will be more in a creepy font, not in a colorful, bright font. Yeah, this set comes with stickers. There's that. Finally, for the office, we got some stuff going on. We got the door and door lights. It also has a timer there. It says 3 a.m., which is creepy. Also, on here we have monitors. They're kind of hard to see because they made it represent it being so staticky, but that is the show stage. This one is Pirate Cove, and that is I actually don't know. Could be just like the party area and some pizza, and also this is the crappiest looking fan I could ever seen. That doesn't even look like a fan, and it's got a cup right there and a chair. Also in the drawers, you can open the drawers, there's just some stuff in there, and then in this drawer we have a newspaper where you find the job, and it says "Celebrate" banner right there. That. Then up here we have pictures of Freddy and Toy Bonnie. Weird. And then that's supposed to be the Celebrate poster, but it doesn't look like that. And then just a little red light. And then the doors, I like the mechanics of them, even though they are very stressful to handle. I don't like, however, how the doors are inverted like that. It's showing like the pattern for it on the outside rather than the inside. That's not right. So they're kind of like stressful to handle. I could probably like fix that in some way. There's not much going on. It's also worth mentioning I actually made my own version of the show stage in the office, and also Pirate Cove, but you won't be able to see Pirate Cove because it's now in pieces. But here's the show stage that I made. It's crap. I didn't even try really. All I put is the clouds on this base thing. It's bad. It doesn't look like the show stage. As for the office, it looks a little bit better. I actually have a better looking fan and a little monitor right there behind the fan. And this cup of coffee. And also, actually like made the Celebrate poster out of paper by drawing the characters on it in the best way I could in small form. Of course, the office looks kind of cramped though. The drawers, no, there's not much going on. So there's that. It's also worth mentioning that this set didn't actually come with minifigures, but I just so happen to have minifigures, bootleg minifigures of the characters, so we can actually go ahead and put them in the set. Okay, now the trio that we all know and love are up on the stage. They look good up there. They seem to be a bit cramped, I will say. Not that much space going up there. I might just have to, like, move the space up for there to be more room. Sick, you know, if it's like on piece. Are you serious? I can't get it out? Come on. No. My God, just get off. Let's see, it's a real one for this. There we go. God. Didn't need to be so hard. Have to move it up a bit, like here. So there can be more spacing. There we go. That's better. Oh, also, it's worth mentioning, here's something really cool about this set. On the back, see right here, is actually a little electric box. We just turn it on and there's a little stage light. There. You're gonna have the spotlight. And for Pirate Cove, we take our boy Foxy and we put him somewhere. He's in there. He's right there. As for the sign, well, I actually have this sorry out of order sign. So we can put it right there. It's better than the It's Me sign. And for the office, also worth mentioning, there's a vent right here. For the office, we can take our security guard who has a monitor. I think that works well. Really be able to fit in the chair. And we also take Golden Freddy. Just like sit there. And that's that part. It's also worth mentioning this set also has some complimentary spare parts. I don't know what to do with these. I'll tell you what, if this video gets 5,000 views, or even likes maybe, then I'll like give these away to a lucky subscriber or something like that. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed, because I kind of enjoy this and I will enjoy it more. And I'll see you next time.